Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Rentflex app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Rentflex app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So press and hold it here. Just click that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So when you will just go to the app info, then here you have to scroll down and just go to the storage section, and by here you have to click on clear data. Just clear the existing data, then open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. Go to the Google search bar and you can directly search for the Flex Rent app. So from here, just download the latest version and it will work. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you have found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.